I opened this up.
Carefully.
Carefully, not breaking it.
You're gonna break it.
Oh. Oh.
And I hope you're paying attention to
the triangle on triangle.
Lift the thing up first. Yep, there you go. You're good.
Where's the triangle?
Right over there.
Oh damn! Why is it so tiny? What the fuck?
Because PC parts are tiny.
I can touch it like this?
Actually, give me a second. That's not right. It's this triangle right over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say. Okay, I can touch it like this?
Yeah, just touch it from the sides and yeah, just the sides.
Oh, that's heavy! What? I don't think it was gonna be this one. Is it this tiny triangle?
Yep, that's it.
Why is it so tiny? What if you can't fucking see that well?
You should get glasses.
Okay, oh.
Just plop it in. It should just like fit in there.
Oh. Oh.
You're shaking. No, chill out.
Oh. Wait, you do it. You do it. You fucking do it. I don't. Oh.
You didn't bend any pens. You're
Okay,
good.
you fucking do it. I can't.
I've been doing this for so long now. I'm like.
I can't.
I saw her just like.
I don't want to fucking break it.
It's only like $400.
Almost 500, you know.
Now press it down, all the way down. Yep, and then move it to the side a little bit, and there you go. Congrats, you installed a CPU. Was that hard? That wasn't that hard.